How to remove Monopoly Go from Apple ID. Want to unlink Monopoly Go from your Apple ID? Whether you are switching accounts or just cleaning up your connections, here's a quick guide. First, open the Monopoly Go app and tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Tap on settings. Now tap on manage account, and you can see disconnect right here. Tap on it. It says you need to go in your device settings, so let's go to the device settings. Now tap your Apple ID name right here. You scroll down until you see sign in with Apple. Now tap on it. Here scroll down until you see Monopoly Go. Once you find it, tap on it. Now just tap on delete. You can tap on stop using. Okay, once you do that, go back to Monopoly Go app and you can see you have just disconnected with Apple just like this. And that's it. That's how you remove Monopoly Go from your Apple ID. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.